sa kantina, ligtas na mga tawiran at pag-iwas sa mga masasamang bisyo. Bibigyang pansin din ang kalusugan sa mga lugar ng trabaho. Sisiguraduhin maayos ang mental health ng mga manggagawa at protektado sila sa anumang panganib. Aayusin din ang mga komunidad para maging ligtas ito sa mga naglalakad at nagbibisikleta. Kasama na rin dito ang pangangalaga sa kalikasan. Makakatulong ito sa pag-iwas sa mga sakit, pagbawas ng polusyon at pagpapatatag laban sa sakuna. Itutuloy rin ang mga polisiyang katulad ng sin tax at sugar-sweetened beverages tax. Epektibo ito para maibsan ang paninigarilyo, pag-inom ng alak at ang labis na timbang lalo na sa mga kabataan. Maidaragdag pa ang pondong ito sa mamahalagang proyektong pangkalusugan at masasagot pa ng UHC ang bayad ng inyong konsultasyon, gamot at lab tests. Basta ikaw ay Pilipino. Mabibigyan ka rin ng sariling primary care provider na gagabay sa iyong pagkonsulta o pagpapagamot. At kung ma-admit sa simpleng kwarto ng ospital, wala nang karagdagang bayad. Sagot na ito ng PhilHealth. Sa UHC, mahalaga ang pagbigay na angkop na kaalaman sa mga Pilipino para maiwasan ang pagkakasakit. Habang ang buong pamayanan naman ay sumusuporta sa isang malusog na pamumuhay. Sa Universal Healthcare, may kalusugan at kalinga para sa lahat. Para sa Healthy Pilipinas! Ito ay isang mensahe mula sa Department of Health, PBS, SBMA at ng 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
The Morning Brew. The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJs Ron and Tommy G.
With DJs Ron and Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. 10:40 is the time right now. Time check brought to us by PLDT Fiber. Nothing beats fiber, so upgrade to home's most powerful broadband. You guys call them up 252 Fiber or 252-3427. All right, if you want the fastest, the most powerful internet, PLDT Fiber is for you. Hey, welcome to the Morning Brew Show, June 28, 2021 edition of this radio show. The sun is shining. Yep, that's an extra plus for having a beautiful Monday. Diba? Maganda yung Monday. Start the week right. Start your day right. Start it with Bay FM 895 Subic Bay Radio. This radio station is coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon, 7 straight years now, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. All right. Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Speaking of good morning, I want to say good morning and happy listening to our friends at the Rural Bank of Cuyo here in the Subic Bay Freeport. It's a new bank here inside the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Welcome to the Subic Bay Freeport Zone family. Rural Bank of Cuyo, located at the building across the Harbor Point Ayala Mall. It's very easy to find. Just across the Harbor Point Ayala Mall, you will see the big building there where the Romantic Baboy is located. Alright, yung mga fans ng Romantic Baboy, ayan ha, may malapit na bangko na. Rural Bank of Cuyo, just in front of the Harbor Point Mall. They will be having their grand opening tomorrow. Congratulations, you guys. Once again, welcome to the Subic Bay Freeport family. I met a couple of people there. And, I'm sorry I didn't get all of your names. I promise I'm going to get all of your names. And then it will be a daily thing here on the Morning Brew Show, 895 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome to the Subic Bay Freeport family. Rural Bank of Cuyo, Subic Bay Freeport branch. All right, and here's a requested song this time coming from the band called Kamikaze. All right, you know, to pump things up. It's a beautiful Monday morning. We should all be pumpy and jumpy and dancey. All right, so here's Martir Niebera from Kamikaze featuring K. Abad on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. I'm DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. Pleasure meeting you.